As we know, chicken meat is one of the staple food for Malaysians, and most of us store them in the refrigerator. But the chicken meat shelf life can only last for 1 to 2 days in the refrigerator. Second, there is lots of types of chemical preservatives such as TBHQ. But the problem here is that those chemical preservatives are very harmful for human health. Lastly, there is lots of studies by using the FICUS CARICA, but there is no practice by using the FICUS CARICA leaf extract as a natural preservative. In addition, leaf is one of the agriculture waste product. So, by using the FICUS CARICA leaf, we can minimize such wastage. So, to study the effectiveness of the FICUS CARICA leaf extract, we have been using 3 different parameters to monitor the extract preservation, such as total viable count, psychochemical property, and organoleptic test, which will be explained later in the methodology. Currently, we have to divide into 2 phases. For the first phase has been shown up here. To evaluate the 3 parameters below. For the preparation of the extract, FICUS CARICA is speaking with us with leaf from the farm until we get a fine dust to use as natural preservative. For the sample preparation, we have divided into 3 different groups. Control TO, T1, and T2. Of chicken meat. It contains about 10 grams of chicken meat. In addition, TO was prepared without using any natural preservatives. Meanwhile, T1 with 1 gram, T2 with 2 grams of FICUS CARICA leaf extract. The different group was packaged in 3 different sequences and stored in refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius plus minus 1 degree Celsius. The sample was drawn every alternate day, day 3, day 9, and analyzed for different preservation parameters. For the TBC preparation, the sample will be diluted with ratio 1 to 10. Of dilution will be put the akan and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius. Following the incubation, the growth of microbial colony will count every alternate day, which is day 0, day 3, and day 9. As for the psychochemical property, we have used the methyl to read the pH value accurately to prove the effectiveness of FICUS CARICA leaf as natural preservative. As for the sensory evaluation for order and color, we run the test by inviting 10 panelists, as we following the proper guideline set by America Meat Science Association. The panelists will evaluate their principles of order and color based on semantic scale 1 to 5. To validate our finding, we have all particular methodology with reference for all these methods, so that how we get the data and interpret it into the graph.
Let's run a graph shown here in result and discussion. As for the microbiome population graph, where orange is day 0, yellow is day 3, and green is day 9. What can be observed here is that TO without using any FICUS CARICA shows the highest microbiome activity, compared to T1 and T2 where 1 gram and 2 gram of FICA added respectively. This proves the effectiveness of FICA in reducing microbiome activity. This is due to the presence of polyphenols that act as antimicrobial agent. Thus, they will prolong the shelf life of the chicken meat. Next, for the pH value, TO without FICA shows the most closest to acidic compared to T1 and T2, which is closer to neutral. Once again, proving the effectiveness of FICA in balancing the pH value, thus preserving the chicken meat. Lastly, for the organoleptic test, which consists of color and order test, we can conclude that TO shows the most awful order and color change compared to T1 and T2, which barely had a change from the normal chicken meat. This proves FICA is working in keeping the original state of the chicken meat.